Welcome to Music Aptitude Maestros. When the app starts, you'll be shown the login screen where you can log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, select the register link at the bottom. Fill in your details on the next screen and select register. You can then choose between a 3-day trial or subscribing immediately. Whether you choose to trial or subscribe, fill in your payment details on the next screen and select the button at the bottom. After entering your payment details, select Start Learning. Fill in your details on the login screen and select Login. The main menu gives you access to test mode, training mode, or viewing results. Selecting test mode gives you an information screen about the test. Scroll to the bottom, enter the name of the person taking the test and select Start Test to begin. Here are the important parts of the main screen of the app. The audio playback button changes depending on whether the sound can be replayed or not. In test mode, the sound cannot be replayed, which will change the icon on the audio playback button. In training mode or streak mode, the audio can be replayed at any time. When a test is completed, select See Results to go to the results screen. Here, you can view all the answers for your test, play any sound from the test, and report sounds if they didn't work correctly. Click the orange button next to any question number to hear that question again. Training mode allows you to select which sections of the test you would like to study, as well as change options such as enabling or disabling the timer or setting its length. You can also choose whether you want to hear the individual notes in chords for the texture questions. Streak mode turns your learning into a game. Your goal is to get as many correct answers in a row as you can. Your score, lives, and streak length are at the top of the screen. You start with 3 lives. Every correct answer adds more points to your score, but be careful. Every wrong answer will lose a life and reset your streak. How long can you make your streak, and how high can you get your score to go? That's all you need to know to use the app. Enjoy studying with Music Aptitude Maestros.